Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to unsuspend your suspended account on Instagram. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So you open your Instagram app and this shows up. The first thing you do is tap on the blue button that reads disagree with decision. You tap on it. Then you'll have to confirm that you are not a robot by selecting the box. Then the tick icon will appear. After that, you'll have to give a captcha test where you select parts of the images that satisfy the conditions stated in the captcha test. After that, you tap on next. After that, you'll have to confirm your phone number or your email, in which you'll be sent a code through SMS or your email. After you verify using the code sent in your SMS or your email, your account will be unsuspended. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.